Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have this Stihl MS 192 TC. And I've taken the carburetor out, put it back together. I got this all running pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take it back apart and show you exactly what I did to get this carburetor out and what I did to get it adjusted. Because not only did I clean the carburetor, I had to adjust the carburetor as well. So what I'm going to do right now is turn this saw around and start taking it apart from back here. Everybody knows how to take filters out. Turn this all the way around, take it off, pop the filter out. Now I'm going to use this 8mm deep well socket and take these nuts here off. You can also use a 5/16. With these two nuts being gone, just go ahead and kind of pull this out. It should slide right out. That's what it looks like on the inside. Now I want to remove this choke mechanism right here. And now what I've done is I'll take this and I'll turn it halfway here. And I'm going to put my small screwdriver underneath there. I'm going to try and pry it out of there. As you can see, it's coming out. I'm prying it up here at the meatiest part because I don't want to break the end of it off there. And it comes right out. Then I'm going to go ahead, put it back in there, and I'm going to shut the choke. And then pull it on out, that way nothing gets in here. Next thing you got to do is this line right here. You just want to kind of push it off here. There. Comes right off. Now, over here, you don't want to take this out. This is just rubber pieces to keep dirt out of there. Now, just take a T20 and take out 1, 2, 3 screws so you can remove this handle. Now the screws are all broke loose. I'm just going to pull this handle out. Do it easily. Watch so the screws don't fall out. Right now, I'm going to take this right here off. And you can see that there. Goes right in there. This is your linkage. I'm going to put it out of the way. Now this stuff here, if it does fall off, boom. I'll show you how to put it back on. Now this, it just goes up in here. That's just going to fall right out. I'm going to turn the saw back around to where the carburetor is. And what I'm going to do now is just pull on the carburetor. And it should come right out. Now, this is the gas line barb. And all it does is slides right down in there. So you don't have to worry about that one. This is the piece I was telling you about. We'll put it back in as well. So what I had to do, I had to adjust my low end. My high end was fine. So what I did, I got in here, took my screwdriver, I put it right inside there, just like that. And I popped it. And now that came right off. See if I can get it off. Now once I adjust this, or turn it to where I need it, I can put this right back on there. Get it to snap. Make sure I got it here because I don't want it on that ledge. There it is. Popped right on. Okay. Also, on the bottom of the carburetor right here, take this one screw out. This is your throttle. Just hold it with your finger. You'll have gas come out, as you can see right there. I'll get me a rag. Now go ahead and take this on out. Now this here will come off. And now right here, I had a lot of debris down in here where that screen's at. So I went ahead and cleaned it out and put it back together. As you can see down in there, there's nothing down in there now. A little bit of gas. Go ahead and put that back on there. Hold your throttle over so it's not hitting it. Because this is your idle right here, your idle adjustment. So you're going to put this back on there. Snug it down. At this point you can take your finger off the throttle. You don't have to get it all tight, but yeah, just snug it down real good. Now I'm ready to put this back together. I'm going to take this little piece right here now. I'm going to grab my linkage. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in just like this. I'm going to grab my carburetor. I'm going to take and put that other piece in just like that right there. I'm going to hold on to this. I don't have to put that in right now, but I'm going to leave it in there like that. Because this has got to go up through this hole right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I grabbed it with my fingers. I'm going to kind of pull it in. I want to line my carburetor up at the same time. If I can get that on there and slide it in. Now, you got a hose right here. The gas line that goes on this outside, you got to make sure that it is out of the way. There we go, it's right there. And then I can push that on down, and inside there, the other gas barb is going into that other hose. And just push it in. This is all still connected. So I still got it up here in front. I'm just going to let it hang there for now. I'll push that in, make sure everything is good. I'm going to take this one here. This gas line. And pop it in right there. Push it up on there. And that should take care of that. What I'm going to do now is turn the saw around. And go right down in here. This is the handle. This is the piece that comes through here. There's a little hole down there that you want to just push that in and get it lined up just like that. Now I'll go back around to where the carburetor's at. I want to go ahead and put my choke on. We know this is choked. The choke is all the way down. I'm going to put it on there just like that. Slide it on. There we go. I'm going to leave the choke on. Keep anything from getting in there. I'll put this plate on next. This goes to the top. As you can see that right there. Goes in right there. It should just automatically slide in. Put it in place. I'm going to go ahead and put the two nuts on there. Now I'll go ahead. Put the filter on there. And I'll go ahead and put the cover on it. Now I'll go ahead and fix the handle. Now if this thing here pops off on you, don't panic. Just grab it and you can put it right back in there like so. If it comes off on the inside, which I don't think it will because you pretty much have to take everything out for it to come apart. But now that that's set, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to hook up all of this stuff here. Now this is the trigger. It goes down here. You put it in like that. This is your safety for the trigger. It goes in just like this. And that's how it works. Now, it won't work right now because now I'm going to show you how to put the spring on. But this is how these go. Now I'm going to take this back off. Take this back off. Here's your trigger. And there's a little lip right here. You want to take this spring and match it up just like that. Now, I'm going to hold it. Now this is the trigger safety. It's got a little lip right here. I'm going to put my spring right under that. And that's how it works, just like that. Now I'm going to put it in here just like that. Now this goes behind all of this. So just be aware of that. It goes right like that. Now this will go, see this right here? Just drop it down on top of that. Just like that. You want to put it on there. And then you want to take this and put it right inside that hole right there. And now it should be set back up the way it was when you took it apart. Now we'll go ahead and put this linkage in there. Just like this. The crooked end goes at the bottom. Small end goes at the top. Just go ahead and line it up. Push it in. Make sure everything's together. Go ahead and slide this in place. You got this right here, so watch out. You end up knocking everything back apart if you're not careful. It should snap right in place, just like that. Now I'll put the 3 bolts in it. And that's all there is to it. I'll go outside and start it up. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.